Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off AirPlay and Continuity. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So now what you need to do is simply tap on the settings app. Here once you are in the settings, what you need to do is scroll down and here tap on the general section. Here in the general section you need to scroll down again and here you can see AirPlay and Continuity. So simply tap on it and then the first option that you see automatically AirPlay, you need to simply tap on it and here you need to select the never option. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.